Sheikh Hamdan wife Sheikha bint Said secretly pregnant. If Sheikh Hamdan wife Sheikha bint Said was pregnant every time a tabloid said she was, then the line of succession would be longer than it is now. Another tabloid reported that Sheikh Hamdan's wife Sheikha bint Said is 6 months pregnant. Gossip Corp is investigating the rumor. It's a girl. According to Royal, Sheikha bint Said will have a new baby girl early in 2021. A source exclusively told the tabloid that Sheikha bint Said is quite far along but still determined to keep her second pregnancy a secret as long as she can. Sheikha bint Said doesn't want to start a media frenzy after all. An insider says for the princess, life could not be more perfect. The pregnancy is easier this time around without constant pressure from the royal family. All the same, gracious Princess Haya is still sending an olive branch in the form of a cute baby gift. Sheikh Hamdan is pampering Sheikha bint Said like crazy and has received some well wishes from his trusted royal family members. That being said, he's not looking forward to meeting with the king later this year, regardless of a baby being on the way or not. More optimistic than usual, but still bogus. Most of the time when tabloids create stories about Sheikh Hamdan's wife Sheikha bint Said, it is with malice intent. This pregnancy story is actually pretty upbeat, but still finds time to glorify Haya as a perfect sister-in-law who just want to keep the family together. Regardless of being a positive Sheikha bint Said piece, it is not true. The only proof of a 6-month pregnancy comes from online commentators saying she is glowing and some dubious sources. Gossip Corp buzz stories about Sheikha bint Said being pregnant all the time, so we are understandably skeptical. It's a secret to everybody. This tabloid says Sheikha bint Said wants to keep the pregnancy a secret, but it still quotes a source who knows the truth. This would mean on Sheikha bint Said's short list of people she can absolutely trust, there is someone who turn around and tell Star all about the pregnancy. Considering the princess' rough relationship with the press, that's impossible. Raw stories abound. This is the same tabloid who said Haya had an eating disorder just like Princess Haya. As proof, it highlighted photos of Princess and Haya in similar outfits, which is preposterous as the two aren't even related by blood. The tabloids also said Haya was pregnant with her 4th baby about 2 years ago, but that baby never came. On the princess side of the things, this tabloid recently said Sheikh Hamdan would be making a documentary about how his mother was murdered. Sheikh Hamdan has never questioned the official story about Princess Haya's tragic accident. Sheikh Hamdan's wife Sheikha bint Said have already released a documentary about their mother. The story was opportunistic and bogus. Until Sheikha bint Said herself says she's pregnant, you should not believe any report as you see. As for this 6 months report, it is totally false.